Planning for a trip can be pretty exhausting. Firstly, you have to go through a series of travel blogs and travel websites. Secondly, you need to find the most important time to visit the place. And thirdly, you need to prepare an itinerary which covers the most important places of the destination. And add to it the current situation, travel planning has become a huge task. But don't worry, we have done it all for you. In this video, I shall be sharing the top 5 places to visit in Singapore, and in the end of this video, I shall be sharing the routes for travelers in Singapore right now. So do watch it till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Dreamy Rhapsodies.
Singapore is an island city-state located at the southern tip of Malay Peninsula or Malaysia. It is a global financial center and has a tropical climate with multicultural population. You will find a beautiful amalgamation of Malaysian, Indian, Chinese, Arab and English cultures here. Despite being a tiny island and a former fishing village, the modern city of Singapore is filled with a lot to explore, and there is something in store for everyone here. Be it the world-class theme parks, iconic waterfront attractions, world's first night safari, hidden gems to explore in charming neighborhoods, or lush greenery, Singapore will leave you totally amazed. You will also get to discover the history and heritage of this city. Strolling along the colorful shops in Haji Lane, you can pick up souvenirs, gorge on delectable street food, or buy a dress or two from fashion boutiques. If you are passionate about discovering places, here's where nature lovers, history buffs, backpackers, city trippers, trekkers, discoverers, and sightseers meet. Number 1. Gardens by the Bay. The Gardens by the Bay is a nature park in the central region of Singapore, adjacent to the Marina Reservoir. Undoubtedly, it is the most beautiful place in Singapore and tops on every tourist's list. Gardens by the Bay will take you to a dreamy land from where you won't want to come back. The main attractions here are the Super Tree Grove, Cloud Forest, and the Flower Dome. The Super Tree Grove. The Garden Rhapsody is a show held in Gardens by the Bay every evening. The Marina Bay super trees or mushrooms are lighted up in many different ways and change their colors on the rhythm of the music. Each and everything about this show is very intricately and wonderfully designed to transform the place into a wonderland. The music, the ever-changing lights on the super trees, and the ambience just leaves the onlookers awed and stunned. The Cloud Forest. Cloud Forest at Gardens by the Bay is one of Singapore's most magnificent attractions. There is a greenhouse-like glass dome which can be seen from miles away, and once you're inside, you will experience nature's beauty at its best. The large climate-controlled dome has spiraling walkways and one of the world's tallest indoor waterfalls that rains down from over 30 meters above. The Flower Dome. Flower Dome is a place where spring never ends. Replicating the cool and dry Mediterranean climate, Flower Dome showcases exotic plants from 5 continents which are displayed in 9 different gardens. One can spot 1,000-year-old olive trees and unusual baobabs while taking in sights of the flower field display. The second one is Sentosa Island and Universal Studios. Sentosa is a tiny island just off the shore filled with unlimited fun and amusement. It provides a day-long trip which promises loads of entertainment and laughter. Universal Studios is undoubtedly the best attraction of Sentosa. This popular theme park is home to thrilling rides like Jurassic Park, Battlestar Galactica, Human vs. Cylon, or Transformers the Ride, the ultimate 3D battle for an adrenaline pump beyond your imagination. You can buy tickets online or at the gate, but you can get discounts if you purchase them in advance through Klook or KKday. Apart from the Universal Studios, there are many other attractions in Sentosa Island as well. Because it is an entire island dedicated to fun and entertainment, so it's home to many other attractions like 4D theaters, the Trick Eye Museum, action parks, SEA Aquarium, water sport facilities, golf courses, and beaches. There are plenty of hotels and restaurants on the island as well. Universal Studios needs an entire day to be explored, so you may reserve another day to explore the rest of the island. The third one is Singapore Flyer. Standing at a height of 165 meters, the Singapore Flyer is Asia's largest giant observation wheel, offering a 360-degree breathtaking panoramic view of the Lion City. The huge Ferris wheel is built on a 3-story terminal building at the Marina Bay. The iconic Singapore Flyer gives breathtaking views of the top attractions like Singapore River, Raffles Place, and the Merlion Park. The major attraction of the Singapore Flyer are the 28 city bus-sized air-conditioned capsules designed to carry 28 passengers through a 30-minute mind-stirring journey of Singapore's skyline. For a unique dining experience, enjoy the Singapore Flyer's special in-flight dining packages along with the world's first full butler sky dining escapade. The fourth one is Haji Lane. Haji Lane is Singapore's colourful little secret. Youth in large numbers frequent the shop houses along this lane for the independent fashion boutiques and Middle Eastern cafes. You can't miss this place if you love exploring quirky and eclectic places. Its graffiti painted walls, artsy shops, cool fashion boutiques, and hip cafes give it that uber cool gypsy edge. Haji Lane got its name because of the businesses here. There were many Arab pilgrim brokers who would arrange the Hajj for Muslims in Singapore and from the nearby islands such as Java. The fifth and the most beautiful one is Marina Bay Sands. Marina Bay Sands was one of the most expensive buildings of the world when it was opened in 2010, costing 5.7 billion Singapore dollars. Currently, this famed resort complex serves as a major spot on the bay, offering a Pandora box full of amusements. It is comprised of several amazing elements including a premium hotel, luxury brands, a theatre, and a mall with a canal running through it, an art science museum, restaurants, and a convention center that is one of the largest in Asia, and many more. An indoor skating ring with synthetic ice is another attraction inside the complex. However, the cherry on the top is the Sky Park viewing deck and an infinity pool nestled in the ship right at the top of the building. Tourists are welcome to visit the observation deck, but the pool is only accessible by the hotel guests. After viewing the gorgeous skyline of Singapore, one can also have coffee and snacks at the rooftop restaurant or buy a souvenir.